Are all the templates banned by Pearson in 2025? Can you not use the templates anymore? If you use the templates in describe, image, in read a lecture, in essay, you are going to get 0 in your PT test. This is what I've been getting ever since Pearson has announced changes to the PT test. In this video, I am going to give you proven research and experiments which I have done, and I am going to share the truth with you whether the templates have been banned or not, and can you still use the templates? If yes, in which question types can you use the templates and how you have to use those. To know the truth, make sure you watch the video till the very end. First of all, let's clearly understand what the rumor is about. Each and every student is asking or telling me that templates have now banned. It's very difficult to get the scores. It would have been good if I would have taken the test before 7th of August. Let me clear this out. Yes, Pearson has made changes. The weightage of accurate and relevant content has gone up. But there is nothing like that you cannot use the structures, you cannot use the templates. You can still use the template, you can still use the structures, and you can still get the scores. How you have to use the structure, where you have to use the templates, and which are the question types where you can use the templates. First of all, remember, describe image, you can still use the template. Read a lecture, you can still use the template. Respond to situation, summarize group discussion, summarize written text, writing essay, and summarize spoken text. These 7 question types, you can still use the template. But Pearson has made it very clear that these 7 question types will now involve human check. I'll be very honest, it's not possible for anyone. That's what I think. It's not possible that Pearson will check each and every student's response of these 7 question types. Do you think so? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think Pearson has got these many examiners or invigilators that they will check each and every response of each and every test taker of these 7 question types? I don't think so. What I believe is that your response will first be sent to artificial intelligence to be marked. And if AI will flag your answer, or if AI will think that you have given a response which is pre-memorized, which is just a template and which has nothing to do with relevant content and nothing to do with the question given on your screen, then it will be passed to a human examiner who will only check your content part of the response. Now, because each and every question or each and every response will not be marked by a human examiner, it means you can still use the template, but if you overuse the template or if you do not use it properly, then your response will be checked by a human examiner. Your job is to add relevant content to the structures you have been provided so that artificial intelligence does not flags out your response and your response is not marked by a human examiner. Because if a human examiner is involved in your test, there are very high chances you will not get your scores. So this is what you have to do. Now let's discuss step by step each and every question you have to do. Describe image. Make sure you include all the main ideas, main keywords, main content from the image. Go around 30 seconds, but you can use this structure. You can still use this structure in any image you get, but you need to make sure you add relevant content, keywords, and phrases. Read a lecture, I need you to go around 35 seconds. I need you to use this structure, but make sure you have got relevant phrases, relevant content, and relevant keywords. If you have less content, you can repeat the same, but use this structure and add relevant content. Summarize group discussion and respond to situation. I have released a new video for both of these question types. You can use the same template, whichever I have provided over there, but in these 2 question types as well, you'll need to add proper content. Summarize written text has changed. You need to make sure you select the sentences carefully. You can still connect 2, 3, or 4 sentences using connectors, but you'll have to select those sentences which are important, related to the main topic, and which have got important keywords. Essay, no issues, trust me, you can still use a template, but you cannot use those templates where you just have to type the same thing and just add 3 to 4 keywords. In any question type, you cannot use templates whereby you just add few keywords and your job is done. In essay as well, you can use this structure, but you'll have to add ideas. If they're talking about positives or advantages, disadvantages, you'll have to mention a few. It's not that you close your eyes, type your template, and your job is done. That's not the way. Similarly, in summarize spoken text, you use the template but add relevant and related keywords. Make sure there are no spelling and grammar mistakes, and you will be 100% fine. Now, if you use these templates and structure in a logical way by adding content, you are 100% safe. But there are few templates and structures which you should be avoiding. In describe image, do not say sentences like, there's a beautiful picture in front of me, let me have a closer look by having a closer look. Or do not say, I can see, I can see, I can see. You're not going to get anything for it. Your template will be blocked. If you practice on languageacademy.com.au, right, on our website, we have got an AI template blocker, which is there in the Pearson test as well. It's pretty similar. You will not be getting any points on our website as well. So it's very important, whichever template or structure you are going to use, you practice using the same on languageacademy.com.au. That's going to give you a clear idea of if your template or structure is working, if not, why, and how you have to make it work. AI is smart and it will give you each and everything. In retail lecture, do not use this structure. He told about, he told about, he told about, he told about, or I heard about, I heard about. Do not repeat the same sentence again and again. That's a big no. Respond to a situation and summarize group discussion again. Do not repeat the same sentence in your structure again and again. Use different connectors, different phrases, you'll be fine. Summarize written text. Do not blindly connect any two sentences. Try to select sentences with important keywords, and if you can, replace or change one to two words as well. Essay, so you can use any template or structure whereby you can add enough content so that your essay actually makes some sense and is related to the topic you have been providing. If you're using a template where you have to just add few keywords, nothing else, sorry, it's not gonna work. Summarize spoken text. Do not use a template which is 50 words and then you have to just add 3 to 4 words. Maximum part should be content, minimum part should be template or structure, will be 100% fine. So this is what you have to do. You have to use template, you have to use structures, but you have to only use logical structures. It's not just about cramming anymore. It's more about understanding the structure, understanding the template, implementing it properly, adding relevant and proper content, and then going for it. You'll be 100% fine. The truth is, templates still work, structures still work, but you need to make sure you get them working for you. You implement them, use them in such a manner that you are able to relate with the question you have been provided. You are able to add relevant content and 100% success will be yours. If you want to see if the templates you are using are working for you, just practice on languageacademy.com.au. We have updated the AI and it's smarter and it is similar to what happens in the actual test as well. You can take extensive mock tests, full mock tests, which are updated and which will give you a clear idea of what you need to work and what you need to avoid. If you think the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. This helps the video to reach the right audience, get them their desired scores, and helps the YouTube channel grow as well. If you ever get your desired scores watching my videos, do let me know. That is something I work for and that is something which keeps me going on. If you need any help, any online classes, on-campus classes, please feel free to give us a call, send us a message, and we will give 100% to help you out. We have got 13 sessions running in a day according to different time zones, and we will give 100% to help you out, like we have helped more than 50,000 students till date. That's it from this video. Now go and practice on languageacademy.com.au or download the LAPT exam practice app. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you in the next video.